What's up, my fellow traders? Hope you all having an awesome day. A quick one here on nat gas, gold, silver, crude oil. For US cocoa and for corn, I'm going to upload analysis hopefully by Friday on my website. So keep an eye on my website. That will be uploaded here in the market analysis section. So once you click here, you will see the portal to download report. So that is what I'm going to do by Friday. So anyone who's waiting for those analysis on cocoa and that will be uploaded here with the full details technical analysis. So starting with natural gas, what do we have right here? So as predicted yesterday, fake out has happened right here. You have been warned yesterday because we had these fake out before as well. Right here, and right here. So let's see what I've said in my last video so that we can connect the dots from there. For now, look for your buy condition on a higher time frame. Now, as we are taking over trades on 4 hour. I'm talking about the smaller channel and smaller trend line. Previously, if you remember, we had this fake out clearly mentioned in my previous videos if you have seen that. And price forms a bullish engulfer and then shoots higher. And then what? We had another push down, hit of this trend line, price formed a bullish engulfer right here, and then it pushes back up. Open above in gap. Now we are back in the same zone, same trend line right here. We might see another fake out. Very important. If let's say we have one candle closes below like this, and then we have a very next candle closes back up, means the price is going to push up from here again. The price forms a bullish engulfer above the trend line. Let's say we have one red candle close below and then the second candle close back above. In that case, something like this, we are still bullish and we'll still have an entry condition. We might get a possible double bottom here on the trend line as well. If that happens, that is also a possible buy signal. Again, not my strategy, but in general, a buy signal at the trend line. Awesome. Then the price pushed back up from here. Now, to identify the fake outs, you must see solid close of two candles at least. You see, it is not a solid close right here. Just one candle closed below and the second candle was just a spinning top. Then the price opened above in gap. We had another push down, only few candles not even broken below these lows, means we are still intact with an uptrend. If we would have got a big two or one big solid candle and then the second one closed below as well, then we have a confirmation that price is going to push down. Example is right here. That is not a fake out, but that is something we were looking at the support area. That is why we were looking for the bullish engulfer for the entry of the next candle. So these are something we need to figure out when we are doing our technical analysis. So for now, another fake out has happened. And at this point, we are still not taking any bearish trades. Sell trades going to be risky at this point unless and until we are not broken below these lows with the solid candles. Once that happens, we are looking at the level below, which is right here. These numbers 2.978 goes to 3.120, from where we're going to look for the entry conditions like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern. For the short term, if we are broken and closed below these lows, only then I want to start to look at the pullback entry bearish short term till this area. So everything is same, nothing much changed. So that is what I'll be looking at for the possible entries. Just buy. I will looking at, but I will only buy nat gas once we are broken above these highs, at least preferably this high. But once we are broken above this little horizontal line, in that case I'll start to look for a bullish pullback entry, as then we will be way above 50 EMA and we can then look for the pullback entry bullish and keep on taking long. So overall we are bullish. Looking at the daily time frame, we are above 50 EMA. For the higher time frame trader, look for the bullish engulfer on and above 50 EMA, something like this. If that happens, that will be an entry condition on a daily time frame. You can go 1 ATR and you can manage your trades 2 ATR, or that's totally up to you if you want to manage to the recent highs. And this level is, again, I'll be looking at for the possible entries if there is no condition and if you have a dramatic fall, to look for the entry condition. So that's what I'll be looking at here on this platform. Keep an eye on your entries condition. Here, exactly the same. The price is hitting the trend line again and again and not closing and broken below these trend line. I'll be looking at this level as well, just for you to mark these levels right here. 2.905 goes to 3.019, from where I'll be looking to enter my buy trades in case we have a dramatic fall. Once broken below this trend line on 4 hour, only then I'm going to start to look for my pullback bearish entry. You see a bullish engulfer happens here. That has been clearly mentioned in my previous video. If you have a bullish engulfer or double bottom at the trend line, that is a general condition that price is going to push up, as you've seen the clip from my last video clearly mentioned. For my buy entries, I've already mentioned these two horizontal lines. Once we've broken above, only then I'm going to look for my pullback entry bullish. So that is what I'll be looking at. Only buy trades will only happen once we are above 50 EMA, above these highs. Then with the pullback, we're going to go long. It is itself an entry for the traders who look for entries on trend line like right here, and that can also push the price higher from here. So keep an eye, not my strategy, but it is something most of the technical traders use for your entries conditions. On Wanda, that is not a valid bullish pullback entry as that happens below 50 EMA. For now, break above these highs will only confirm that price that we can start to look at the pullback entry bullish after that. So once we are broken above, we're going to look for the pullback and bullish engulfer above 50 EMA. Still in an uptrend, and we are still looking for the buy opportunities on 4 hour and on a daily. If you have a deep pullback above 50 EMA bullish engulfer, it's something I'll be looking at for the possible entries. The zone below on Wanda is 3.199, goes to 3.317, from where we're going to look for the buy conditions like bullish engulfers or double bottom entry pattern in case we have a push down. For now, wait till the price break above. But in general, we are bullish and we can likely see the push up at least to these recent highs on all 3 platforms. Next up, we have gold. Nicely pushing up. Still bullish for gold. Broken above these lines right here, which is good. Not closed yet. Close is very important. You see the price has rejected from here. Means there's a possible chance of a deep pullback. If that happens and we are above 50 EMA, price from a valid pullback entry bullish, our 6 rules are met. For the students, if you are a student, you are learning the course, make sure you look for the 6 rules right here for your possible entries. So pullback entry above 50 EMA. If not, then I want to see a solid close and then a pullback above the recent anchor, followed by bullish engulfer, must be above 50 EMA, and we're going to go long from here. Again, for the long-term traders, symmetrical triangle has happened on a daily time frame. As you can see, break above or below will confirm the trend as well. Break below will push the price to the next level of support, which is 2515.12, goes to 2539.42, from where we're going to look for the possible buy trades. Break above will confirm that price is going to push up likely to these highs. So let's see how it goes on smaller time frame. Look for your entries. Even if you're looking for the 1 hour time frame entries, we are above 50 EMA, and you can still look for the pullback entry bullish above 50 EMA. So that is what you can look for on 1 hour, on 4 hour. Both time frames are valid for your entry condition, and you can use that for my strategies as well. Here on silver, pulling back, that is very good. That is what we were waiting for. Price is about to retest the neckline. That is also very good. So look for bullish engulfers or a pin bar. That is all we need to look at. Bullish engulfers, pin bar mean 382 candle. Look for 382 candles and pin bar. If you don't know what candlestick patterns are, the video is in my playlist. Feel free to check that out. So that is why I'll be looking at price now about to retest the neckline, from where we can start to look for the buy condition, and silver will likely to push up from here. Next up, we have crude oil. Crude oil pushed up nicely. I mentioned yesterday, if you're managing your trade, that is good to take your profits still here, or that is $1.8 profit. That is insane amount of money if you know how much crude oil give you profit with these peps. Now, again, I'm still bullish for crude oil, and I'm still looking at the pullback entry bullish for crude oil, which is my pullback above 50 EMA or at the zone below right here 71, that goes to 72.47. Once the price is inside the zone and forms bullish engulfers or double bottom, that is one of my entry condition as well. So only buy trades with pullback entry bullish or from this zone right here. We have this anchor level right here. If you look back, that is a little level that has reacted, but that's not a very strongest level. I'll give you the next levels in my next video as well. For now, just look for the buy trades for crude oil with valid entry conditions. So that is it for today's video. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up. If you're learning out of my analysis, make sure you subscribe so that we can all trade together and trade efficiently. Hope you trade green. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.